So I've been looking for a miter clamp system for some time, and I saw on YouTube DIY Montreal, he did a really nice layout of one that was made out of some cauls that are really the center of this setup that I have here. But what I did, two things different than DIY Montreal, is I added a wing here on the clamping caul and the miter caul, which was the same as his layout, but I added a wing to it so I could apply some clamp pressure along the same lines as the miter. So I put all four of these together. You can see the pressure on all the cauls is going to be exactly the way you want your miter joints to line up on a frame. The other thing I did is I stood it up on enough plywood right in here to provide a way for a bigger bar clamp to get under it and provide the same pressure. So if I had a really large frame, I could put this on a large workbench and clamp up a pretty good size frame. On this small side, on this small layout here, I'm just gluing the cauls together onto the deck that I've laid out. So really the same layout as DIY Montreal did, but a couple additions. I can get some pressure now. DIY Montreal also added these cutoffs here to where he could provide some pressure into the joint itself. So I saved those as well. We'll glue these up, and then I can also provide some pressure on the inside of the miter in case I needed to pull that together. My 45s weren't just perfect. The lateral clamp then would be from that edge to that edge. You pull it into the miter joint itself. This setup will provide clamp along the frame lengths and give you an overall pressure around all four sides. So I hope the best of his design and a little bit of addition to mine. All right, I hope it helps. Bye.